Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can install V2ray GUI interface on a Debian based OS system. Here I'm using DigitalOcean VPS and it's $5 for 1 month. Got 1 GB memory and 25 GB disk space, and it's in Singapore region. You have to choose the region which is closest to you, because for the good latency and for good ping rate you have to choose the nearest region to your country. And here I'm using Debian latest version 10.2. Maybe it's not the latest, but it's the latest available in DigitalOcean. So let's start the process. Here I already started my server on PuTTY, and PuTTY is a software for accessing our VPS. You can also use some other client. It's also a client. So first of all, we have to copy this command and paste here and press enter. Then just wait, because if we directly input this command, it won't work. First we have to update our packages, and it's done. Now we have to copy this command and paste it. Do you want to continue? It means then press yes. It will install curl, because for our link we are using curl to get. So we must have to install curl first in our Debian based OS system. So then run this command and it will execute successfully. Just wait for some time. Now V2ray is going to be installed on our Debian based OS system, and here it is. We have to use the port 65432, and the default password is admin and admin. Now let's access our server. Copy our IP, paste it here, and our port is 65432. You can also change this. From this panel. I will make another video for the complete introduction of panel and all the commands we can use in this script. So here we can see our GUI interface is ready to use. It's showing our memory, CPU usage, disk usage, and everything, our total number of connections and everything. Now let's simply go to accounts and create a new account. For example, we can name it Debian. And then add a new account. Our new account is ready, and we have to copy the link. And now I will run the V2ray client. So I have started the V2ray client, and now we will import our server here. So copy the link and go to servers list and import bulk URL from the clipboard. And it's imported successfully, as you can see here in Debian. There is also a Chinese version available for this client. I will give you the link in the description of PuTTY and the V2ray client and everything. You can find everything in the description link. And now let's try is our server is working or not. Then we have to enable HTTP proxy, and global mode, we have to select global mode. And then now let's try our server is working or not. So simply open Google. First we have to restart. I think we have to restart our server. Yeah, we have to click on the restart service first, so this will work. As you can see, it's working fine. Let's open YouTube, and yeah, it's working, as you can see. And the quality. If you want to speed up your server speed, you can watch my video on my channel. You can find it, and I will also put the description link in the description. if you want to speed up your server, you can watch this video. It will help you to speed up the YouTube buffer, and you can watch the video in 4K or even in 8K. So that's all for today. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you tomorrow. And if you have any, if you want to ask anything, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also suggest me some video titles so I can help you. Thank you. Bye bye.